today. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, so Iska Waran. Okay, Iska Waran. Hello, good stuff. Iska Waran. That's great. Okay, so let's look up here now. Look at the screen. Okay, business is starting right now. All right, so cool. So today has been a whirlwind day where the market has been more of ranging market, but we shall analyze it. Okay, so if you have any charts you want us to look into, or any of your trade that you want to check out, give me a shout and I will go there quickly and show you. All right, so let's start with this very one, which is what is this one? Okay, USD JPY. Okay, so this is USD JPY for today. Let's scroll to the box. Okay, so this is the box for USD JPY. Okay, let me make the box bigger. Okay, so this is the box. All right, so if you are here for the first time, it's not going to be difficult for you to actually see what we are doing. Okay, it's not going to be difficult at all. You will see what we are doing. So what we are doing is that this box is being drawn for us automatically. Okay, so this box is drawn for us automatically by an indicator. We call that indicator sessions. Okay, that indicator is called sessions indicator. So our job is just to put a line at the top of that box and at the bottom of that box. Okay, let me quickly show you that box for the benefit of newcomer today. So I will show you that box. So that box is called sessions, and that session, it has 3 groups or 3 sessions you can set. So you can set the Asian session, you can set the Europe session, and you can set the America session, that is US session. So any session you don't want to see, you put their color to none. You remove the color. Say color is nothing if you don't want to see the session. For now, we don't want to see Asia for now. We just want to deal with Europe only. And we have removed the color from America as well. So for the Europe, we are setting our time to be 9 to 10. Okay, 9 to 10 a.m. And originally it's supposed to be 7 to 8 a.m. But because my broker is 2 hours ahead of the London time, that's why instead of 7 to 8, I put it at 9 to 10. I use IC market. So if your broker is different, try to figure out what is your broker's time, 7 to 8 GMT or 7 to 8 London time. Okay, so that is how the box is. Now, if you have been here before, you know what I'm going to say next. Fingers on the buzzer. Good evening from Namibia, land of the brave. Oh, good. Is that the land of the warriors? Yeah. Land of the brave and the warriors. Good. All right. So fingers on the buzzer, please. Which one is our trigger candle here? Whether you are new or you have been here before, give it a try. Candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Oh, Jais! I trust Jais. Jais knows what he's doing. Is he right? Let us see. Whether he knows or not, we shall see. We shall see. Jais is saying is 2. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Any supports? 1 or 2? Okay. Sinkuba says 2. Okay, France 2. Okay. Okay, Osogwe 2. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, Bobby Femito. Hello, Bobby. Is this your first time, Bobby? Mukondi, is that your first time? Okay, Mukondi says 2. Mustafa say 4. Where do you see the 4, Mustafa? I didn't say 4. Oh man, Mustafa, are you typing the wrong key or what? Where did you get it from? Where is it coming from? Yes, Bobby, I know. Okay. Welcome, Bobby. Welcome around. Good to see you. Okay, Mikolachu. So you say two. Ikechuku two. All right. Bobby, welcome two. Okay. Oh yeah, I catch you there, Mustafi. I catch you there. Ah yeah, you want to escape? I catch you there. Right. Yes, your first time. Good. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I've picked up 2 or 3 people that are coming for the first time, and I got it absolutely right. Does it make me a good listener, right? All right, so let's see whether if you say 2 or 3 or 4 or 1, whatever you say, let's check it out. I know Mustafa is just pulling our legs. Okay, so if you say your answer is number 1, you are wrong, because number 1 is inside and outside. So it's one leg in, one leg out. We don't want that. We want a candle that is completely outside. If you say your answer is number 2, you are absolutely right, because number 2 is a candle that is formed outside of the channel and it's not touching the line. Okay, so that's the first candle we find. That's good. That means that is where you are going to take your long position. Okay, so your long position is going to be from at the close of this candle here. So you put your long position at the close of that candle. So let's just change the size, the size of the line to be different from the other ones. Okay, so we know the dotted line is where we take our position from. Okay, now you know when you have a buy position or even a sell position, you have to set 2 targets. One is a stop loss and the 2 is the take profit. So when we talk about stop loss, where will it be? The stop loss will be at the bottom of this line, this bottom line here. That's the low of the hour. So that is where your stop loss will be. And what is your take profit target? Surely it is the size of this box. So you measure the difference between the highest and the lowest of this hour. That will be your initial target. So we call it TP1. Okay, initial target TP1. So let's measure that. So we put our ruler on that spot and measure it to the bottom of it. That's very small. 6 pips. Yeah, that's quite small. 6 pips. Wow, that's small. Okay, so 6 pips is our target. So TP1 is 6 pips. TP2 will be 12 pips. TP3 will be 18 pips, and so on and so forth. So your TP1 is the size of the box. TP2 is 2 times size of the box. TP3 is 3 times size of the box, and so on and so forth. So you can have up to TP10 if you want. But the question is, are we going to get up to 10 TPs in a day? We don't know. So we know that at least we want to target the first TP, which is the size of the box, TP1. So you must not miss that one. You have to catch the first TP1, and if the TP2 is available, so be it, you go for it, and so on and so forth. So let's see if we get the first take profit target, which is 6 pips, and let's see how quick we got that. Okay, so here is about 11 pips. We are about to hit our TP2, but we just hit TP1 at 6 pips. Okay, but that's not the end of the story. Let's see what happened next. So we close our trade here at TP1, and you see prices went on and on and on and on and on, and it nearly put us in the market here. Let me make it this big. Okay, so market went on and on and on and on, and it dipped inside here, and it's going to pop out again. Okay, so if you had, I just want to keep that line off. If that's pop out here, if I make it bigger, I want to ask you a question. Is there any trade here at all to go long? Is there any re-entry trade? Let me make it bigger so you can see it. Where is it? Not that one. Okay, yeah, here. Here. Is there any trade here to go long? Here, is there any trade? Yes or no? Oh, Angela, welcome. So you just join us and you say it's number 2. That's correct. You are correct. Elijah won the committed candle. That's right. That is absolutely right. Jais, that's true. You said no, 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 no. How is Jais being the first time to answer, first person to always answer? Have you got some special computer there that knows the whole answer before everybody else? So if you have a secret, let's know your secret place. Senkuba, all right, no. So Shogbe, no. Okay, good stuff. Because you can see that these 3 candles, none of them are completely detached from the channel. This candle is still touching the line. This candle is still touching the line. That candle is touching the line. Okay, Mustafi, that's it. That's the answer, right? Because we are looking for a candle that is completely outside. Nothing touches the line. A candle has 4 prices, as you all know. Open, high, low, close. So those 4 prices make up a candle. Okay. So if you see this candle, the low is touching the line. So that means it doesn't qualify. Okay. So there's no buy here. All right. What about here? Is there any sell here? Did we find our trigger candle here? Committed candle. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Answer, please. Let's see if Jais is going to be number 1 again. Is Jais going to be number 1 again? I'll see. Someone is going to beat him to... Oh, you see, I told you. How, man? Okay, you know what? Don't let Jais be beating everybody here today. Oh, man. Jais, you got some special screen, right? Oh, you got your fast internet. You got a way of finding the answer so quick. Yeah. All right. So, yeah. So you guys are right. So there is a trade here. And if this is candle number 1, anybody say number 1? No. So Jais 2, Bobby 2, Mustafa 2, 2 and 3. Okay, Mustafa, make up your mind. Make up your mind. Is it 2 or 3? It can only be 1. Okay, one way or the other. Let's know. Okay. Osagwe 2. Okay. Mikolato 2. Jojo 2. Sinkube 2. Jais. Yeah, you're using some special screen. Okay, Angela, no trade. Okay, yes, in the previous example here, no trade, but here there is definitely a trade here. Okay, so if you tell me your answer is number 1 for this one, is wrong. If you tell me your answer is number 2 here, is right. Number 2 is the correct answer because number 2 is not touching the line, and number 3 is also correct, but it's too late for number 3 because we've got number 2 already. So once you got the first candle that qualify, you stop looking. That's it. You got your candle. So now we got our sell candle. The other one was a buy. This one is a sell. Okay. So now let's put our sell at the close of that candle. Remember, it has to close. You don't go into the trade while the candle is still forming. You wait for the candle to completely close, and then you go and sell or buy depending on where the candle is. Okay, so now we know that. So let us now see what happened. So remember, this is our sell here. Okay, so this is our sell here. Our take profit is still the same, 6 pips. So let's see the maximum we can get from here. Maximum we got on this one is 25 pips. So if we know that our TP1 is 6 pips, so with the 25 pips, it shows me that we can get TP1, which is 6 pips, TP2, which is 12, TP3, 18, TP424, right? So for today, you will get TP1 to 4 here, and you get a TP1 here. You remember we nearly got to TP2, but we didn't. So TP1, then TP1 to 4. So here there is no loss at all today on Euro, on USD JPY. Any question? Yes, Bobby, it's been recorded. So it's a live YouTube, and what happened is that you are going to find it on the YouTube channel. Once we finish, it will be uploaded automatically by YouTube, and I will also upload it myself. So you got a chance to watch it again if you want to. All right, so there we go. Is anybody with any questions at all? So that is it. That is it today for this one. All right, so let's see the second one today. Let's go GBP USD. All right, this is GBP USD today. And if you are there for the first time, Ikechukwu, this forum, we're looking at SBS, Simple Breakout Strategy only. So I may not be able to give you advice on the news coming, so that may be another time. So because we want to keep the focus on this SBS. Okay, so now this is GBP USD. So fingers on the buzzer. See, let me show you what happened initially. So the box finishes at 8 o'clock, so 7 to 8. We have a false move here. The market took us into a trade here. It went up. We didn't hit our stop loss. We survived. It went down. So we will see whether we got our TP1 or TP1 or 2 here. And then we see market goes back inside and come out again, giving us another opportunity to go short again. And we'll see whether we catch our TP1 or TP2. And that's the end of the story for GBP. So you got one chance here. We shall analyze it. You got another chance here to make some cool pips. Okay, so let me now slow down for the benefit of our new guys. Okay, for the benefit of new people, I will slow down. Okay, so I'm making this big so that you can see. Okay, so as I've said earlier, this box is formed between the hour of 7 and 8 GMT or 9 to 10 IC market. Look here for me, please, on the data window. Look at when the box starts. It is exactly at 9 o'clock. Next candle 9:05. Next candle 15, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on until 10 o'clock, the last candle. So it's just 1 hour. 1 hour on a 5-minute chart. So this is how the box will look like. So if you have the indicator, you don't have to worry yourself. It will be drawn for you, provided that you put the right time inside the indicator. Okay, so by the way, I know a lot of you want the indicator. All right, so a lot of you want the indicator. You know how to get indicator, don't you? Who doesn't know how to get indicator? If you don't have the indicator, you want to get indicator, ask me and I will show you how. But a lot of people know how to get it here, or they already have it. Okay, so you got the box there, and after the box, you'll be watching and looking for the candle that will be formed outside of the box and will not touch the line again. Okay, whether the candle will be up outside of the box, right up here, or outside of the box down here, we don't really worry ourselves too much. We just want to go with the trend. Yes, you just want to go with the trend. Okay, so here we see this candle here try to pop out. Yeah, but it's not a committed candle. As I think the Giants that told us it's not a committed candle, right? It's not a committed candle. And we are looking for a committed candle. Elijah, yes. Elijah says it's not a committed candle because this candle is one leg out, one leg in. We don't want that. This is also one leg out, one leg in. We want a candle that's completely outside of the box. We don't want lukewarmer candles. Okay, but let's switch to this side. So the candle, we have prices go down here and then go outside of the channel again. But look at that candle. That candle is a committed candle. It's completely outside of this channel. It's not touching the line. None of the price is touching. This is the open price, the high, the low, and the close. All the 4 prices are completely outside of the box. So that means it makes this candle our trigger candle. Okay, so this box gave us this candle to short, to go long, to go short, that is to sell. That's how we're going to place our sell trade at the close of that little candle here. Any question, especially for our new people? If you have any questions, let me know. Any questions from here? Okay, why no? All right, what's that? Okay, right, so it is strategy based on high and low, opening and close of the session. Now, Bobby, is based on the opening hour of European session. So we deem that 7 to 8 GMT is the opening hour of Frankfurt session. So we put the box, it's just the hour, not the whole session, just 1 hour, the first hour of the session. The first hour when Frankfurt open, that's when we put the box, just 1 hour. Okay, the whole session is quite a long way, but this is just 1 hour. Okay. Oh, you don't have. Oh, Mustafa don't have. Okay, Mustafa, you are my friend, therefore I am going to help you. All right, so let me give you a link where you can get the indicator, right? So this is where you can get the indicator. Okay, so that is the Telegram group. You can get the indicator from there. So all you need to do is click that link. Once you click that link, it will take you to Telegram group. And when you get there, you go on the right hand side. There is a file session. You click files and you will see an indicator called sessions. Let me show you again. It's called sessions.mq4. So you download that indicator and that's it. You're all done and set up. Okay, so now we know if we go short here, our stop loss is just above this line or just 1 or 2 pips above it, and our take profit will be the size of this box, TP1. TP1 is the size of this box, which is 23 pips. 23 pips. Okay, so if that is the case, do we have 23 pips from here? Let's measure it. Yes, we got to 33 actually. 34, we got to 34 pips. So our take profit 1 is 23. So we were able to make our TP1 here. Excellent, money in the bag. Then what happened next? Price retraced back into the box, and also price came out of the box again. All right, now the question is, which one is our trigger candle here? Everybody is going to answer this question now, and I want our new guys to pay care attention to this. Okay, I want you to pay close attention to that. I will make it big so it will be easier for you to recognize it. Okay, this is here. This is where we are now. All right, so we are looking for our trigger candle, our committed candle, our all out candle, our trading candle, call it whatever you want to call it. That's what we are looking for. Hey, Jayes, it's too early. Yeah. I haven't asked the question yet. You're answering me too. It's too early. Okay. I'm sure your finger is already on your keyboard, right? You want to type it, but I haven't asked the question, so you don't know the question yet, and the answer is not going to be 2. Let me tell you that. I can assure you that. Okay. All right. So because of Jayes, the answer is not going to be 2, okay? So our trigger number 1 is this one here. This is trigger number 2. And that's candle number 3, which is the first. Which is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Who is there first? Let's see whether we're going to beat Giants to this one. I'm curious. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm curious. I want to see. Anyone beating Giants to it? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Go! Trade down wave! Oh, Giants. What happened now? What happened there? Giants, okay, you're welcome. I mean, Giants is very quick as well. Jojo 3, okay. Mikalato 3. Bobby 3, okay, that's good stuff. Excellent. Bobby 3, who else? Bobby is 3. Okay, Siba. Siba, long time. I haven't seen you for a while. What's happening? Where have you been? Welcome. Oh, Siba, you say it's 2. Okay, we shall see. Okay, Siba say it's 2. All right. Yemi is 3. Okay, Yemi. Hope you're doing great. All right. Excellent. All right. Now let's see the answer. Okay. If you tell me your answer is number 1, I'll tell you it's incorrect because this is not committed at all. You can see one leg in, one leg out. Okay, it's not a committed candle. All right, look at number 2. Is part of it is inside, part of it is outside. So it is not the candle we are looking for. It is not the committed candle. It's not the trigger candle. We're looking for the first candle that will be completely outside of the bars. Jacob, you said 3. All right. And there we go. Look at this butterfly. Yeah, the dragonfly. That is the candle. Dragonfly or doji candle, whatever you want to call it. A cross, a dragonfly, a butterfly, a doji candle, indecision candle, whatever you call it. That is our candle. That is our candle. Though it looks like it's not committed, but actually it's very committed. It is committed candle, right? So that is our trigger candle there. So our trigger candle is over here, and that's where we go short. Okay, so we go short from there. Okay, and from there we put our sell order in. We put our sell order in from there, and we go short from here, and we're looking for 23 pips. That's our let's measure again. I think I remember it's 23 pips, right? Let's see. Yes, 23 pips. That's our TP1. Okay, so when we short from here, your stop loss is right over here. So let me make it. Yeah, stop loss is this line, maybe plus 1 or 2 pips there. That's all. And then your TP is 23 pips. So let's see from here if we make our 23 pips profit. 23 pips. Oh yes, we did. Oh, actually we got to 46. Oh, we nearly got 46. We nearly got 46. So because of spread and everything, maybe we just stop at TP1. Okay, which is 23 pips. TP2 is 46 pips, but this is very close to 46, so I wouldn't say you got the TP2. At least you got the TP1. Okay, so you got TP1 there, and that's it. Nothing else is happening because we have not gone back in the box. So all these are just noise in the market. Noise in the market. All right, I hope you understand that. So we have one trade here. We make our TP1. We have another trade here. We make our TP1. Excellent. And that is the story of pound dollar today. Good. Any questions? What will be the FSTM trading time for euro? Okay. Jason, let me send you this link. This is the link. This is the link to Telegram. I want you to click that Telegram link and join that group. When you get there, you first of all download the indicator if you don't have it. If you have it, that's fine. The next thing you do is pop that same question into the Telegram group, because I can assure you someone is there to answer you. Currently we have, let me quickly show you, in Telegram group, this is the group here, we have 861 people on the group. As you can see, as we are talking, a lot of people are joining. Okay, and you can see a lot of questions. Will there be a live session today? Let's go up and see a lot of questions. Okay, Alfred is asking the question, please, anyone using FSTM? I think is that not the same question you are asking, right? Let me see the question you are asking. Yeah, so okay, right, exactly, Jason, that's your question, FXTM. So you see, somebody is already asking that question, and can you see a lot of people will answer the question for you? So quite a lot of questions, and very helpful people. See, somebody is saying it's also with Hot Forex. So you discuss about brokers, which broker you are using, your experience with the brokers, and you post your result as well. So if you use SBS strategy, post your result. If you do not use SBS strategy, please don't confuse anybody and post wrong result, please. Post the result that you have used with SBS strategy. Okay, so a lot of questions, and people are here to answer your questions. I hope I'm giving you a shout out, all you guys that are answering people. Ade, well done. I've seen you. You've been very active. I think you've been active as well. Loviki, you've been active. Well done. Good. You can see a lot of questions have been answered. Quite a lot of. So for you guys that I'm talking about file. So you come to this section and you click file. Under files, you see MQ4. Okay, MQ4. You can sessions. So sessions MQ4. This is another one. So a lot of different versions, but the same is the same file, because it's been saved multiple times. That is why you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's the same file. Just come there, click that file, download it onto your broker's platform, and there you go. There you go. All right. So that is the Telegram channel. So if you are not on the channel, you got to be there. You got to be on the channel. Excellent. Good stuff. Any question? Okay. Say, why do you not use candle number 2 as number 1? Okay, let me see that question. Okay, let's go back there. Okay, why do I not use candle number 2 as number? Okay. No, by giving 1, 2, 3, 4 or whatever number I give it, is just for you guys to participate as my students, so that I can get some reaction from you. Those numbers are very irrelevant. I don't have to put any number. You don't have to put any number. All you are looking for is just a candle that is outside the box. That's all. But if I don't put a number, you guys will not know which candle I am referring to. I could have changed it otherwise. As I say, is it candle 1 or 2? Your answer will be correct. You will say 2. Or even if I say, is it candle 1, 2, 3, 4? You will tell me it's candle 4. Let me make it bigger, so this is clearer to everybody. Okay. So the number I'm calling is just for exercise purposes only. If I started on this candle, I call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I say, what is the answer? Your answer will be 4, which you are going to be correct. Let's say I start my counting from here. I say candle 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is the answer? Your answer will be number 3, which will be correct. If I start my counting from here, I say 1, 2, 3. If I say which one is the correct answer, your answer will be 2, which is correct. Even if I start my counting from this same candle 1 and 2, and I ask you which one is the correct candle, which one is the trigger candle, you will tell me it is number 1. Excellent. I hope it is clear now. All right. Nekaleto, I hope that is clear to you now. Okay. By the time you wake up, the blue box is there. So my trading session looks different. Shall I trade the purple box? Yes, you can trade the purple box. You can trade any session that you prefer. Can we continue to use the same box for London session and New York session open? You have to put a different time. Okay, we are going to do that very soon now. You have to put a different time for the London, a different time from Asia and US session. Okay, how to download the Breakout platform. Okay, so if you want to sign up to a broker, okay, I got a good news for you. I've been using a particular broker for a while, and they have been fantastic. We've heard a lot of story about brokers not willing to pay up when traders make profit. This broker is massive. They are regulated, and they will pay you your money almost same day. If you make your withdrawal before, I think 12 o'clock their time, you get the same day. If after that 12 o'clock, you get it the following day, which is not bad. Okay, so this broker's link is here. I just post you the broker's link, so you can join the broker there. That is my own link to the broker. So if you join with this link, you can open either a demo or a live account. So they have a very fantastic spread, and they have a leverage of 1 to 500. So, and they are regulated. Yes, Jais, IC Market. Tell them about IC Market. If you have been using IC Market, let's know your experience. I don't want to do the talking for IC Market. I'm not IC Market evangelist. I don't work for IC Market. Good stuff. Excellent. All right. For us to trade a box breakout, must the box fill up with candles before we can trade it? Yes, because the box is going to be 1 hour. Okay, so the box is going to take an hour for the box to complete. So this is the box here. It start, as we said, it start at 9 o'clock. That is 9 o'clock IC Market, and it keep on going on until 10 o'clock. It's only 1 hour. So you don't do anything while the box is forming. You just wait until the box is complete. In fact, another good news for you guys is that every morning, as soon as this box is complete, I always come to the Telegram group and post my chart. Immediately it completes. So that if you are in doubt as to where your box should be, once you see my chart, you will definitely know, oh yeah, I got it wrong. Okay, I have to move my box. I have to change the time inside the indicator to put it at the right place. Okay, so I have to put it in the right place. Excellent. Okay. Oh, you just joined. Good. Thank you for that. Thank you for joining. Excellent. Preparations take long. We switch it to IC Market. Okay. Oh, Pepper Stone. Okay, yeah. IC Market is known for fast execution. Their platform is one of the best. They are one of the biggest anyway. But the good thing is that you can withdraw your money, as I said, easily. And let me just quickly take you there. IC Market. Don't want to talk about IC Market at all. We are here to talk about SBS. But now that you guys are asking me the question, let me quickly show you. Okay, this is what they tell everybody, and what they said is actually true. Majority of the time, your spread on euro is 0. Okay, 0. Sometimes 0.1, 0.2 during trading hours. So they have a leverage of up to 1 to 500. They have a micro lot, and they have a lot of instrument to trade. Okay, a lot of instrument to trade. That's it about these people. I don't know them. Okay, so let's go back to our business here. We are trading here. So any further questions about this strategy? Any further questions about this strategy? Okay, so which currency pair to trade? Okay, Jacob, that's a fantastic question, because initially when we started, we were looking at GBP USD. We started with GBP USD, and now we realize that although the GBP USD has been tested over many periods, we found that it is very profitable. But we have now discovered, many of us on the channel, many of my students and my subscriber and colleagues, they found out that not only GBP USD, some are even better. So now we have been looking at all the major currencies. In fact, we've been looking at all the currencies, even the indices. Even the indices. I'm talking of things like Dutch Mark 30, that's France 40, that's Spain 35, this is Hong Kong 50. These are all stock market. Yeah, this is index of stock market. This is Australian 200, that is Italian 40, that is Japanese 225, that is UK 100, that's FTSE 100, that's stock 50, that's US Tech is there. Yeah, US Tech is there. This is Dow Jones Industrial Estate 500, and so China. So people have tested it on all this. In fact, not only that, they've tried it on metals. We're talking of SAU USD, gold, silver. They've tested it on those, and even exotic currency pairs, and it works. Excellent. Okay, how do we deal with trade that reverses just after being triggered? Knowing forex and emotions are not friends. That's correct. Tamonukube. Is this your first time? Sorry for calling you out. I'm going to answer your question. But it looks like you are joining us for the first time, right? Okay. Let me see if we can find an example of that. What about USD card? Let's see if this USD card will give us example of when you get into the market and it changes on you instantly. Okay, because this strategy is not 100% winning rate. Not at all. Not in a million chance. It's not. Okay, let's take this as an example, right? This is a good example here. Okay, whether you are new or you are a returning student, fingers on the buzzer. Okay, so this is your box. Yeah, that will be your TP1. That's the size of the box. Okay, here definitely you know there's no trade here because none of the candle is committed. None of the candle is out of the box completely. So we move on. Here also there's no trade, even though it is touching. No trade. Now here we got a trade because at least one of the candles is outside of the box completely. The question is, which is the candle? All right, fingers on the buzzer. Number one. This is candle number one. This is candle number two. This is candle number three. Candle number four. So I can start from anywhere I like. Yeah, I start from here now, just for us to know, to be singing from the same book. So number one, number two, number three, number four, number five. Which one is the trigger candle? Did I get it right? Let's start from the biggest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 4 you said. Yes, number 4 by Temi. Number 4 by Shoni. Trader Nibi, number 4. Okay. How you follow me? You don't comment. Oh, good, you comment today. I see. Good. Barnabas, good that you comment today. Excellent. Great stuff. Good to hear from you. Mikeleto 4, Seba 4, Jacob 3. Okay. Jason, when you get to bed, the London session is formed and it gets too late. Do I just follow the US session box to keep watching the London session? As I found I'm getting too late to sessions. Okay, so sometimes when you put in the box, you don't get the trade alert immediately. It could take another 30 minutes after the box is formed before you see the trigger candle. But by the time you wake up, if the trigger candle is already out, then it's too late, except you wait for retracement. In that case, you can then trade the next session. So we are going to go and check the other sessions now and see how we can do multiple sessions together. All right. Okay, so number 4, Ali 4, France 4, Trader Newbie 4, Jojo 4, Mokwe 4. All right, let's check it out. Okay, so if you tell me your answer is number 1, definitely you know that is incorrect, because 95% of that candle is inside the box. If you tell me number 2, it is also not correct, because some of it is in the box. If you tell me number 3, I may think you may be right, but no, because I cannot see a daylight between this candle and this line. I cannot see it not touching. I can only see that I can't see the difference between them. So to me, it is touching. So number 3 is not the correct one. But check out number 4. It is the island. The island candle. Okay, committed candle, island candle, trigger candle, whatever you want to call this candle, our candle. It is the right candle we are looking for. So it is very completely outside the box. Okay, so that is where we buy from. At the close of that candle, we buy. So let me change that. Okay, so that is our trigger candle. This is where we bought from. Okay, so let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, so we can see. Okay, so this is the box, and this is where we bought from. Okay, so the reason why we get to this example is because I wanted to answer a question of what happened when a trade goes against you immediately, or maybe a little bit after. Okay, let's see what happened here. So ladies and gentlemen, you went into a buy position here. You put your stop loss right but below this line or on this line, and you are looking for a profit target of what? Of 20 pips. Let's just say around 20 pips. Okay, and you enter your trade here. You are looking for 20 pips. Let's measure what we got from here. Okay, here the maximum you got here is 17.5. Let's say you got 17 pips. It's not up to your 20 pips yet. So you're looking for 20 pips and you only got 17 pips, and the trade start to reverse. I've always been asking, ask people that question. If you are plus 17 pips and then the trade start to go against you, start to reverse to 15, going to 10, going to 5, going to 3, 1 to 0, and begin to go to -5, -8, -10, and getting to your stop loss. Will you be looking until this thing hit your stop loss? Or what I suggest is, if you're already 10 pips up or more, in this case 17 pips, I've made up my mind that never will I allow myself to go and hit a stop loss. I will rather come out at break even. And I know that in a day, there's more than one chance, opportunity to trade. So why do I want to go for a stop loss when I can come out break even and wait for another chance? It's like a train. You know, if you miss one train, what do? You wait for the next. You don't jump in front of the train because you miss it, or you try to hang to the train because you just want to jump in that train. Just wait for the next. The next is you're gonna go with the next train. So now we have made 17 pips here, and we have not reached our 20 pip profit target. So what happened? And the price is coming down, it's coming down. So for me, when it gets to where I enter, I break even, I will come out and say, okay, Mr. Market, you didn't win and I didn't win. It's a draw game. Fine. Draw game today. Fine. I'm coming back. And surely you will come back, because there's another chance here for you to go long, and that is where you are going to make the profit. Right? So even though this trade is still valid, so if you have gone into a trade here, okay, and you didn't stop it, so it gave you -17 here, and you hang on. I say I count you lucky because it didn't hit your stop loss. That's a luck today, because you had a chance to come out here. Because if you had come out here, break even, you'll be sitting on the fence waiting for the next action. So you wait on the people as crying here, oh my goodness, oh, it's going against me. I saw 17 pips earlier. Now it's now minus 10. It's now minus 15. What do I do? Should I stop it? Should I cut it? You should have stopped it at 0. That is better way. So, but today is a good one for people who hasn't stopped there. Stop the trade. So because he didn't hit the stop loss and he went out to give them the pips they want, give them the pips. But if you are someone like me that you have come out break even here and you are sitting, you are waiting, then you say, okay, I'm waiting for my chance. Here we go. This is another chance here. Can you see that? Because this is not a breakout candle. This one is a breakout candle. These two are not breakout candle because they are still touching the line. So that candle is a breakout candle. Can you see what happened there? That candle is almost at the same point as of buy as this of previous candle. The same, almost similar position to buy from. So you come out here 0, no win, no lose. You say, okay, Mr. Market, I shake your hand. It's a draw game, but I'm going to play again. So you come here and wait. Now you wait here, and then you can move with this price. Let's see how much is our. We are looking for target of how much. Do we say 20? What we say is 21 pips. Okay, let's call it 21 pips. So from here we are looking for 21 pips profit, and let's see if we get it. Surely we must get. Ooh, 50. This is 50 what? 53, and we're looking for 21. We got 53. That's TP1 and TP2, and that's the end of this. Let me see if there's any other opportunity today. No, that's the end of the story. So because this is where you enter here, so you got TP1, TP2. So here you didn't take any risk. You didn't let your profits disappear into a loss, even though eventually you didn't hit it stop loss, but you save yourself the agony by coming out break even, and then here you make your TP1 and TP2. Okay, I've seen somebody ask a question, or they were not happy on the day they actually come out break even, and they say, oh, I should have stayed in the trade. And I went break even, and now the price is going in my direction again. It will happen that way, but you know what? It is better for you to be safe than to be sorry. So because there will be some times like this time that it wouldn't turn back, it will just hit the stop loss and we start going down. So you will take all the stop loss. So I hope you understand that. That is the reason why I cite this example. Any question? Okay. All right. I hope you can still all hear me. All right. So what we are going to do next is that we're going to move into other instrument. So let us look at some indices and see how they did today. Let's start with Dutch Mark. Let's start with Dutch Mark. Oh, is this today? This is today. Oh my goodness, look at that line. Jeez, look at that line. This one is Dutch Mark. Dutch Mark is the German 30. Is the biggest 30 stock prices or stock prices of Germany economy. This one is France, 40 stocks, the best 40, that's Spain, and so on and so forth. All right, so because somebody has asked the question, is this strategy good for all currencies or for some indices? This is it. When do you move to break even? Okay, so you move to break even once you hit 10p profit, but you haven't hit your target yet, and the price start to reverse against you, and when it gets to your break even, you come out and wait for another chance. Okay, you don't want to have plus 10 pips and then begin to see later on minus 15 pips or minus 25 pips. So once you hit 10 pips or more, decide that you are going to be coming out break even. You have not lost anything. Break even is a it's like an even game. Okay, you haven't lost. It's like you went to a casino, right? You went to a casino with $100 and you put all your money in the casino, blah 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 blah. At the end of the day, you came out with $100 and you are going home. Yeah, you haven't won anything, but some people have gone into the casino with $100 and they are coming back with nothing. So which one do you want to be? Do you want to go have fun, enjoy yourself in casino, look at every beautiful thing there, you know, have a chat with a lot of people, you know, make a lot of bragado, you know, throw in a lot of money. Okay, let's even call it 1 million, right? $1 million. So put a lot of money. People see, oh, look at this man, he's trading. Oh, he's doing a lot of stuff. You put a lot of money in the casino, blah, 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 blah. How some people say, oh, this guy, look, don't mind him. He's going to lose all his money. This guy's going to lose all his money. He doesn't know what he's doing. Like Forex, yeah? But at the end of the day, this guy played for like 12 hours and he had good fun. And when he was going home, he had his $1 million intact. Nothing touched it. Tell me, that guy will be happy. Even he hasn't made much money, but he hasn't lost anything, right? What are you talking about, Majid? Oh, no, don't say that. Good stuff. Oh, you're cracking me up. Let me drink water. I need to drink water now. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that's fun. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do this one now. Let's do this one fast. Okay, let's do this one. We do this one for Germany. Okay, if you are from Germany, this one is for you. Actually, not only Germany. If you are from Europe, this one is for you. We are doing European index. One of the European indices. We are doing this one is in Germany. Okay, right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands on the buzzer now. Now, without mincing words, I'll give you a command. I am the commander-in-chief. Fingers on the buzzer. All right. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Okay, let me confuse you a little bit. I want to change the numbers around so that you don't guess my answer. Okay. So, let me see how I can do that. Okay, so let's look at this candle here. This hammer candle. So we call this a bearish hammer candle. That small candle there is number 1. Somebody knows the answer already now, even by saying number 1. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. So which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Anybody? Okay, my G. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, Chamajit. Oh my goodness. Giants, JP225. We get there. Let's finish this one. We get there. All right, Mokwe is oh no, and okay, Mokwe 3. Anju, hello, Anju. Agu, is that your first time, Agu? Is that your first time? Jacob is 3. Shawnee W. Shawnee, I will see you for the first time. Christian 3. Adekunle 3. Shawnee is also 3. Agu is 2. Agu 2, right? Majid is 33333. Okay. You don't get extra point for the extra 333. It's only same point. Jojo is 3. Mekolato is 3. Sidibeg. Sidig. Is that your first time, Sidig? Sidig, is that your first time? Oh, Ali, you want $300? Oh, okay. Yeah, $300 is not bad. Yes, Agu, I can see that. You're welcome. My one Aunt Nelly. My one Aunt Nelly. Is this your first time? We got a lot of people first time today. Wow. That's a lot of people. I've counted about 7, 8, 9, 10 people. Matthew Joel. Hello, Matthew 3. Busho. Oh, I know Busho. Busho. How are you? Where have you been, Busho? It's a long time, huh? What happened? Where have you been? Okay, excellent. Okay, let's go for the answers now. Okay, I go. Yes, well, don't ask me that. I go. I have a knack of picking out new people. I don't know why, you know, but let's say that is my talent. You know, Britain got talent, England got talent, America got talent, maybe Africa got talent, Europe got talent. This is my talent. Good stuff. Okay, all right. Hello, Busho. Good. Just good to see you again. All right. So if you tell me your answer is 1, you are wrong. Okay. If you tell me your answer is 2, you are wrong, because 1 is inside the box, 2 half out, half in. We don't want that. We don't want lukewarm candle, indecisive candle, uncommitted candle. We don't want them. We want a candle that is fully outside, like this candle is fully outside. So that is our committed candle. That's our trigger candle. That is what we want. Hey, did you get that? So if your answer is number 3, you are absolutely right. Oh, Busho has been busy. Oh, good. I like to be busy. Excellent, great stuff. So at the close of that candle, you are going to go long. That is where you're going to put your buy order. You buy at the close of this candle. Okay. It will be so hard to stay in the trade after candle 9 and 10. Why is it going to be hard to stay in the trade? Okay, Williams is candle number 3 as well. So number 9, candle trade, Williams number 3. Okay, good stuff. So now we have the candle as we have our buy position here, and usually, you know, your stop loss will be right below here, and you are looking for the size of this candle to be your TP1. Okay, TP1 is, let's call that 91 pips. Okay, because they use a different way of measuring things there. It's say 9,928. Let's call it 92 pips. Okay, for easy remembrance, or let's call it 90 pips. So 92 pips we are looking for. So how many pips do we get all together? Let's just, oh, that's huge. That is huge. From here you are looking for 92, but how much they give you? They give you 585. Ladies and gentlemen, what a blessed day that is. So you got 585 instead of 92 pips. So that to me looks like you have up to 5 TPs, if not more. TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5. And on this type of day, if you have an indicator, we've used it before, ATR or super trend, if you put it on it, it will actually show you where to get out from. Okay, excellent. All right, if you left at break even here, how do you get back to the trade? Okay, let us see. That's a very good question. I like good questions and challenging questions, and that's why I said earlier, if you get out at break even and the price continues to go in your direction, don't beat yourself. There are 100+ chances in other markets that you can take advantage of, because you didn't make all the pips here today, but remember, you didn't lose the pips neither. So don't worry yourself too much if you don't win all the trade. So that's a good question here. So you went to trade here. Let's see if you make 10 pips. I like that question. Very good question. So you went to trade here, you get up to here. Actually, this one didn't get you up to 10 pips. The way we measure it, it gets you up to 7 pips. So in this case, you will still stay in the trade. If this is 7 pips, you will still stay in the trade, because you have, let's say it takes you up to 10 pips and then reverses back. Yes, surely you will come out 100%. You come out, And so be it. It goes and TP1, TP2. You just close your eyes. In fact, forget about it. You're on to something else. That's what is called discipline. Discipline. I say it 3 times. Discipline. Because you know the right thing and you did exactly the right thing. So next time, when you did the right thing and it saved you, when it save you from embarrassment, then this such day when it happened like this, you just say, okay, I know it saved me last time, so I'm not worried at all. Good stuff. Excellent. I like, who's that? Kristen, I like that question. That's in fact one of the best questions I've received on this channel, on this live session. Thank you very much. Nobody has asked that question that way, so it was very good question. I like it. Are you a trader? I like that question. It's a very good one. Okay, so Majid, could you repeat the candle time which under the shadow of rectangular, please? Okay. Okay. Can you clarify your question? Could you repeat the candle time which under the shadow of rectangular, please? I didn't get that question 100%. But if this is what you are asking for, this is the candle here, because this is the first, and this candle here is the first one that is completely outside, if that's your question. If you are talking about the box is starting at 9 o'clock. Look here, look at the time, 9 o'clock. And the box is stopping at exactly 10 o'clock. You must wait for the 10 o'clock candle to finish. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're on 5 minutes chart, you must wait for the 10 o'clock candle to finish. Some people don't wait for it. It has to finish. Okay? Usually that 10 o'clock candle finishes at 10:05. So you must wait for that candle to finish. This last candle must finish. Okay? That candle must finish. That last candle must finish at that 10 o'clock candle must finish. When it finishes, that is when you begin to look for what is going to be outside of the channel. Okay, my people, crypto. Where have you been? Oh, crypto is here today. Crypto is in the house. Crypto is in the house. Okay, so you are new. I know I should not exit on candle 9 and 10. Which one is the candle 9 and 10? Okay, put the indicator. Let's see, please. You want to see the indicator again? Okay. All right. Let's put the indicator back online. So that is the session indicator, and there you go. That is all there is to the indicator. There's nothing else there. So you have 3 sessions you can set: Asian session, Europe session, US session. So we are currently using the Europe session. That's why we have the color. We have turned off Asian session by choosing no color. We have turned off US session by choosing no color. But now we're going to turn it on. We want to turn it on now. So we're going to turn on, let's turn on the Asian session by choosing a color. We can turn on American session. Actually, this American session time is very debatable. I actually haven't thought too much about the American session time, so I'm just using this temporarily. The Europe session is guaranteed. That's what we have been using for over a month. The American session, because I started on Europe session, so this one is just an addition. So if this time changes going forward, don't be confused, right? So, but this one is not going to change. All right, so this America, what color should we give it? Let's give it plum tomato. Okay, so let's give it plum. So where you see the saddle brown, it will be Asia. When you see the purple, it will be America. Europe. When you see the plum, it will be America or US. There we go. There we go. Any questions so far? So does this work on indices as well? Yes, Majid. No, it's not 9 to 10 GMT. It's 7 to 8 GMT. But 9 to 10 IC market, if you are using IC market. Okay. All right, so now this is what it will look like. All right, so this is what it will look like. This is the Asian session. So take for example, if you want to trade this particular indices, which is the Dutch mark, so you will go short from this Asian session. As you can see, you go short from Asian session here. All right, so you go short after here. You can see you can make your TP1 and TP2 easily there. Look at here. Then you come to Europe session, you put your box again, the box is drawn for you. Yeah, you make another TP1, maybe TP2 here. Then American session open, you put your box again. There you go. And in American session, you make your kill for the day, right? That's the following day. What date? This is the 15th. This is, look at the date. This is 15th of June. You move to the 16th of June. This is the next day, 16th of June. Your business start again in the morning. Maybe if you are somebody that wants to start from the Asian session, you start your business again, Asian session. Here you make your TP1, maybe only TP1 this time around. Okay, you move to Europe session. Here is the Europe session for this box. This time around, no break even, no trade, right? No trade because nothing is popping out. For American session, you move to American session. Here, you probably make your TP1. And let's see what happened again. There's a lot of meandering around, and you get to Asian session again, Europe session again, American session again, and that is today. Okay, so this box can be used on any instrument. Okay, so we have just seen DE30. Who wants to see something else? Does break even at 10 pips? You close your trade when it goes to 10 pips, or do you move your stop loss to 10 pips when the trade is going your way? Oh, no. You leave your stop loss. Don't move your stop loss to 10 pips. No, leave your stop loss as it is. Just set your take profit target. But if the trade reverses against you after 10 pips and is coming to your break even, you can close manually at break even and wait for another chance. Okay, C3. Okay, does it work on all sessions same as Europe session? Yes, so it works on all sessions, but I would say don't do all session for now. Just do one session, master it first, then you can expand to other sessions. Okay, so we have seen, let's see, JP225. Somebody mentioned JP225. JP225, where are you? Okay, is this today? Okay, this is today. Okay, and this is today. That's yesterday. That's day before. I just want to show you some of the history so you know that this thing is there every day. So can you imagine if you have been trading this for the last 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month? So this is what you'll be facing. So you see, it's not every day that it's going to be perfect like this. This is a perfect day. That day looks bad, but it's still okay. You know, you can break even here. You can break even here. You can also make TP here. This day here, you make TP1. On this day here, you make TP1, maybe TP2, or maybe TP3. For the American session, you probably make TP1 and 2. And the following day on Asia, TP1, 2. For Europe, maybe TP1 and 2. For America, this one will be TP1. And that will be it. Again, here you will hit one. You will take a buy order here, which will stop you out. But you have a sell order, which will hit your TP1 and TP2. So we cancel that first trade out. This one here might not give you a TP1, but it can give you a break even. This trade here will certainly give you TP1, 2, 3, 4, maybe up to 5. This one will probably give you TP1. You can see what I'm saying. So this is not cherry picking anything. This is just going by by the boxes. Somebody call it Okay, you know, they say it's called a magic box. I'm beginning to agree with them. This is the magic box. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must have been following me for a while. You know my YouTube channel. If you don't know my YouTube channel, all right, let me quickly go to YouTube. I will show you my channel. I know I have a lot of followers for many years, more than 10 years. People have been following me. So let me quickly show you my channel to know who you are talking with and who I am. Okay, so this is me. I used to my initial I called myself Make More 8. Everybody know me as Make More 8. Certainly you must have known me as Make More 8 as well, right? Make More 8. Okay, Make More 8. All right, so this is the session that is going on now. So I've said many times that I will start, because a lot of people have asked me, when are you going to start mentorship? When are you going to start mentoring us? We want you to help us. And I said, look, when it's ready, I'll let you guys know. Okay, I mean, it's over many years. So at the moment, we are nearly we are 39+ K subscribers. Okay, our videos have been viewed over 2.5 million times, and we have quite a lot of videos released as well. So now I am now coming out to tell you guys that the promise I made that I will start a mentorship program is now going to be starting very soon. I mean, in weeks, not even months now, in weeks. All right, so what I've done is I have created a website, okay, for mentorship. Okay, I call that website yourtradementor.com. okay, this website is called yourtradementor.com. Although you can see it here now, however, it will I want you to go there when I send you the information how to go there, because I want to give you a big chance to be part of this. As you know that I've been in this thing for a long time. I've been helping millions of people, but that is not enough. This will be bigger than what you ever seen on YouTube. Okay, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but this will be bigger. Most of you have said you want to join now. I said just hold it for just few more days, right? Few more days. I know you can go to the website already, but don't worry, don't even go there yet, because in few more days it will be ready. Okay, so when it's ready and you can come to the website, it's a learning environment. So it's a learning environment where you log in to your own portal. You have your login, everything you do there, it will be personal to you. Okay, so we operate 3 kind of levels. Okay, so we have silver package, gold package, and diamond. Okay, so a silver package person comes in there, enjoy all the facilities, all the videos, all the files, all the tutorials, all the live sessions, all the trading tips, all the signals, everything. He enjoys it. Gold package enjoys all those things as well, but they want a 2 hours mentorship. So this person say, look, I need some help, you know, to understand how my trading has been going. So it will book a 2-hour session. And this person is a diamond package. He has everything silver has. However, it will have 6 hours of mentorship. So to look at the whole package of his trading career. So he wants to start from like scratch and get mentored properly until he can become profitable. So those are the 3 kind of packages. Yeah. So once you sign up, you once you register, you log in. When you log in, you log into your you log in with your email address, and once you get there, you have your own portal for yourself where you can do all sort of things. Okay, so but hold the fire, because I will make you a good way of coming in that it will not stress you and you will not even think about it, but all you will benefit. Okay, thank you so much. So I will send you information when it is time, and then we are ready to go. And we want to go en masse. All of us want to go in there and make profit. We want to shake shake the forex market. All right, let's go back to our training. All right, let's go back to our training. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to our training. Okay. All right. So this is the indices here. So anybody wants to see anything else? Okay, yeah, to know it's ready. Okay, first of all, I will do a live session as we're doing now. I will do another live session and I will tell you that it's ready. You know, I will make you a great offer to come in, you know. So I'm sure 100% all of you will come in. There's no doubt, because if you don't come in, I don't know why. I said you have a reason. I said you have a reason not to come in. Okay, good. And secondly, on the Telegram channel here, you will see it just as I was telling you earlier. Let me see if I can see one of the things I posted today. I don't post very much on Telegram because I want people to actually use it as opportunity to understand and to ask questions by themselves, okay, and get answered by other people. I want to see what I posted today on Telegram, if it's still there. These are people that are posting their trade. Okay, right. This is my chart. This is what I posted today, okay? This is what I posted today. I said, hello traders. Here is GBP USD chart setup for today. Please set up your SBS box accordingly. Why do I do that? Why do I do that? I'm doing that not because I want you to trade GBP USD. No, I'm doing that because I want to show you where the box must be. And see, when I post this chart, that is exactly when the box was formed. That was 9 to 10. That's 7 to 8 UK time. So I posted it. If you look at the time, I hope they put the time there. Yeah, this is 8:08. You can see the time there. Oh, sorry about that. You can see the time there, 8:08. That's when I posted it. 8:08, I posted it. So I do that every day. I do that every day, every morning. So to give you that, if you are not sure of where your box should be, that will give you the opportunity to know where your box should be. So every day I come and post it. Okay, so you see it like this every day. Okay, so if you have not joined the Telegram channel yet, let me give you another chance to do so. Okay, because the Telegram channel will open your eyes. We've got a lot of people on Telegram channel who are champions already. Okay, who are like like supervisors. Let me see some of them. Let me see some of them. You can see some of them yourself. Let me see people that are always been helpful. Jayes, you see, Jayes is there. He's showing face. Robert is also very good there. Robert is always very good. Let's see. You can see Robert all the time coming. So here is helping people to show them the news. So, you know, when you are trading Forex, you need to be aware of what is going on around you. So not just buying and selling, you want to know what is going on. So at this time, it's showing you that, look, there's a news coming, be aware of the news. So just put it in the back of your mind. Okay, someone else release and say, look, this is what happened. So someone was asking me to discuss about news trading earlier. Well, this is something that might be of help to you. Come to the Telegram group. You can ask such a question. Like, for example, this one is the previous is 0.1. They are forecasting to be 0.1 and it came out at 0.1. What do you think is going to happen? Any surprises? Hey, no surprises. So you can see a flat market. So, and you can go on my YouTube channel, go and watch how to trade the news. It's one of my videos on the channel. Okay, so I'm just trying to see a lot of people that have been very good here. Ade, I said it before, Ade is very good. US has been contributing here. Sorry if I haven't mentioned your name. It's because I haven't seen you that very much. I may have missed it, sorry. But if you keep doing it, then I will call you out. I will call you out, definitely. Raj, I think Raj has been, yes, I think I've seen Raj. He has been posted this kind of video, this kind of chart. So look at it, it's very clean, very clear. So it's showing you the box. Though I don't know where the box is drawn, but I think his box might be drawn correctly as well. So you see how clean our box is. So if you want to trade and your box is not drawing at the right place, you can quickly correct it. So that is the essence of coming into the Telegram group. So we have a 61 member, and now it's already a 68. So probably before the end of the week, you know where we are going. Oh, somebody is telling you, trader newbie is telling you about trading times. See, 7, 12, 23 is telling you trading times. So there are a lot of resources here. But remember, we have rules as well. We have rules that we follow. One of the rules is that we only discuss simple breakout strategy. We don't deviate, because we've known a lot of channels that they will start talking different things and people will get confused, and we are polite, so we don't want to abuse anybody. Whether you are a trader of 500 years or you just started trading forex today, really, you are welcome. So if you are an experienced trader, pass your experience politely. People will appreciate you. You can see a lot of people will thank. They'll say, oh, thank you so much, I appreciate you. See, our question is still clear. People will say thank you so much. You know, a lot of people will thank you for what you have. See, like that's a thumbs up. Say good. So thanks in advance. So if you are experienced, come and give your experience to people. And yes, and if you are new, come in, absorb, enjoy the moment, and be part of the winning trade. Okay, all right. So join the Telegram group. Okay. Any question before we move ahead and round up for today? Can we do a live session one day when you trade in US or London session, and we can see your process as you go through it? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Actually, when we get into the website I told you, yes, that is one of the facilities that's going to be there. When you are inside, we can do live trading together. So you see, when we take a trade, you take exactly the same trade. In fact, my aim is to equip everyone to be an independent trader. Okay, not relying on some kind of robot. You can use a robot, but you must know what the robot is doing. Oh my goodness, great stuff. Thank you so much tonight. It's been great to have you all. I think you enjoyed it. I did enjoy it as well. If there's any more questions, I'm here to answer it. Otherwise, I would say let's meet up again in the Telegram group, and I'm looking forward to what we are going to do together in the website that is coming very soon. And don't waste time, because I can't guarantee that because you can book a session with me, a mentorship with me. Can you imagine if, I mean, you see on the YouTube channel we have about 40,000 people there. If let's say we have only 4,000 and they want to book sessions, you know, if you are there if you are there early, you will be able to book earlier than others. So thank you so much for tonight. It's been great. So I've enjoyed every minute of it. I hope you do. So I'll be rounding up now if there's no more questions, and then I will see you in the Telegram group. So I'll put the Telegram group for the last time here. If you don't have it yet, just click it, join, and enjoy it. Okay, so merci beaucoup, thank you. Swabona, Donkey, which one again? Eshe, which one again? Which language again? Anybody remind me or tell me? Thank you, Queen Adelaja. Thank you. All right, thank you. Okay, good. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube. Yes, you can go and subscribe to the YouTube. It's fine. YouTube is fine. There are loads of indicators I give out as well on YouTube channel, so it'll be fantastic. Okay, thank you so much. I will talk to you again very soon. All right, take care everybody, and have a good night, good day.